exploring different kind of foods in Thane East and West. So actually I was busy with lots of things, so I couldn't. I was not regular on my video on my YouTube. So actually lots of things was going in my personal life. So I messed up everything. So just I was busy with that thing. So sorry for that. But from today I will be regular. I will make more videos for you guys. And so today I came in Thane East and guys, I wanted to tell you something about where I came. I don't know how many like that place or not, but right now I'm supporting only street foods because street foods are good. I know some people they like big hotels, but I like to explore like small street foods, like their name plates are not so much big. They don't have so many stars on Google or on YouTube. But trust me, their foods are really very good, and it is tasty also. So actually, I came in Thane East and Shiv Kripa Bhel Center. The name of that street food, and he opened his shop in 2006, and so it has been 19 years. He has almost completed selling the bhels and other stuff also. And I know most of the Indians they like this street food, that pani puri and that bhel puri, that sukha puri, rabda chaat and chaat. I'm from UP, so I like to eat chaats, bhel. Pani puri is very delicious. Like, oh my god, while telling you, my mouth is watering. So I asked, actually I have taken his some introduction. So what he told me, his pani puri and his rabda chaat and Hila bhel. These three foods are very famous on his shop. Like everyone wants to eat his that food. And there are bunch of other things also. So then I'm thinking I will take 2-3 varieties and I will share with you guys. And if you don't know how to come here, then give me the chance. I will tell you how to come. So this side is from Bhaskar Colony, that Thane West. You can come from this side, and from this side also you can come from the Thane East. And here is some other place, I don't know about that. So what you will see, like you will see there are three roads are there. So in between I will show you. Wait a moment. Can you see his center here? So in that three roads, in the between of three roads, his exactly shop is there. Wait, let me see. Yeah, exactly, it is there. So when I came there, so a lot of crowd was there. Right now, crowd has reduced. So I'm sitting in that three roads and I'm making my introduction video. So I will go there and I will explore foods. And trust me, guys, you should support that street food because see, 19 years has completed, but still he is selling on that charpai. And what he told me, like before that, how he was selling his like pani puri. Like in small house he was selling, and he introduced me with that person. Like on whose house he started their business. So there was a small house, and that person he was a order rider. Okay, so first he take his house on a rent, and after renting for few years he sold his pani puri there from that home. And then after that, slowly when money got gathered, then he started his charpai, and that small startup is there. So you can see everything is well prepared there. And one thing is about, I want to tell you guys, there is a logo of his that Shiv Kripa Bhel Center, and there is they are on Instagram also, and they have mentioned that your contact number also. Like suppose if you want bhel puri at home, so you can order to them. And you know, the best thing I like about this Shiv Kripa Bhel Center, his missus also, she's helping him a lot, and she's also serving because see, it has been 19-year-old. So maybe you know there are some secret spices are there why people are coming to their shops, because it is very famous. And you know guys, you should support this kind of street foods, because you know they need our support. So let's come with me. We will you know eat that good snacks. And today I wore my most favorite outfit, traditional I wore, because every time I was wearing that you know very boring and very comfy clothes. So I thought this time I will switch that jeans top and I will wear something traditional. So guys, are you ready? And you know, if you are a food lover, then you should watch my all videos and you should share with your friends. Because see, as a food lover, we need to explore, you know, good kind of foods in all over the Thane. And I'm the biggest foodie, guys. You should, you know, eat, you know, street foods, get healthy, get motivated. So what we need in life, you know, good food and good taste is very important, right? So let's come with me. I don't want to waste your more time. So let's come with me. As you can see, a lot of crowd came on their shop, and the name of that center is Shiv Kripa Bhel Puri Center. So right now I will introduce with menu. So see, here is their number, contact, and they are on Insta also. And you can see a lot of good menus like bhel puri, masala puri, pani puri, and no, prices are quite cheap. It is not that much of expensive. And see how they are serving to the people. You can see them very nicely. They wore gloves also. And why I'm recording this video at night time, because this you know pani puri, the taste at night time comes very delicious. So this is the reason I'm recording at the night time. And she's his wife and the husband. You see her, like they wear that gloves, like to make that pani puri so hygienic, and people are literally loving their snacks.
रगड़ा पूरी बनाओ आपके लिए, ये आपके लिए बनाओ। ये आपके लिए बना रहा हूँ, ये खाइए देखिए कैसा लग रहा है।
Shiv Batata Puri, and a lot of crowd was there. Like, he does not have time to speak with me. So anyhow, I have taken my Shiv Puri, and so I will tell you what is the unique about this dish. And I will also, you can see it is looking so delicious. How nicely he has done that presentation. Like, you can see anyone's mouth will water after seeing this delicious sev puri. So here is, I'm taking my first bite. See, it's looking so delicious, so yummy. So let's eat, guys, and it's looking quite tempting. It's yum, it's something, in his that Shiv Puri. So something, that very unique flavor taste is coming from his Shiv Puri. Really, I liked it. So later I will try Pani Puri also, and I will show you like what is good about Pani Puri also. Because this Shiv Puri is actually quite good. All the flavors are coming in once, and that spicy, that sweetness, and something sour. Really, you should try this. So now I'm going to try that my most favorite dish, Pani Puri, and what is the unique about in his that Pani Puri taste. So I will tell you. So here is my ragda, and that lady, his wife, she will serve me. So let's guess what will be the taste, because I have tried so many Pani Puri and what is unique about there. So एक Pani Puri दे दो मुझे. She's preparing, and I'm so excited to try. So here is my Pani Puri, and let's try. It's great. The ragda is very hot, and hot they will serve you, and there is that sweet chutney, and there is a spice one. So it's totally depend on you how much spice you can control. So according to your spiciness, you have to try their Pani Puri, and you should come on this Shiv Kripa food center, because I liked it. And if you like my video, like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos. And thank you.